Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your asynchronous work for today, Tuesday, September 22nd. So as always, start by reading the instructions. As you can see, you will be looking at module 1.07 today, and that will be included in your folder for today. So first complete the welcoming ritual and submit, then complete the engaging practices. Remember to use your ELA interactive notebook to take any notes you may need for later. You will then complete assignment 1.07, thesaurus and dictionary skills. Be sure to save your work frequently. This is super important. I cannot emphasize that enough. I'll show you exactly how to save it in a moment. Finally, complete the optimistic closure and be sure to complete all of your work for today. All right, let's take a look at the welcoming ritual. Here you will be writing 3 synonyms for the word blue in the comment box, and you will click post. Back into our folder, let's look at the engaging practices. So you will, like I said earlier, be navigating through pages 1 through 8 of the module, and be sure to complete all activities and take notes in your ELA interactive notebook. You can see the section and page that you will need to add here. In the module, you will navigate through the slideshow and see the thesaurus and dictionary process in action and review important information found in both resources. So it's important that you review those slides and then complete all activities in order to finally complete the assignment, 1.07 thesaurus and dictionary skills. Just as review, this is what the module is going to look like. You can see there are 8 pages here. You're going to click through all of them and complete any work that you are prompted to do. Okay, just click all the way through. Let's go back to our Tuesday folder. Let's view the assignment. So of course you're going to open the attached document, save the attached document to your desktop as your first name, last name, thesaurus, and dictionary worksheet. Click Enable Editing, all the instructions on the worksheet, and complete. And then, of course, save your work before you submit it on Schoology. I'll show you how to do all of those things so that you don't accidentally upload a blank document. So again, I'm saving this to my desktop. My name, and then the name of the worksheet. Click Save. I'm going to open that up. Remember to click Enable Editing here so that you can type. That's super important. Okay, after I do this, I am going to go ahead and follow these directions. You can see there that we are going to be reading each sentence with the underlined word, and we are going to replace that word to make the writing better, more descriptive, and more specific. So consider each sentence carefully and complete the 5 following steps for each one. Okay, so you're going to be looking at a thesaurus, a dictionary, and then you are going to be choosing a synonym that best fits the sentence and enter it as your new word. You're then going to provide a short definition for the word you chose and list 2 synonyms that you considered but did not choose because the one you chose was the strongest. You can see here an example. The sentence was, the annual end of the year party gave students the opportunity to wear the fanciest clothes. The underlined word here is party, which they looked up and replaced with the word gala. They gave here a definition and chose and wrote down the 2 words that they considered but did not choose. You have 5 sentences you need to complete this for. It should not take you too long, but be sure to work thoroughly and carefully. Finally, this is very important. You need to save your work by clicking File, Save As, More Options. Be sure it's saved to your desktop and check the name. hit save. Once that's saved, you're going to go back to Schoology and you're going to submit. I don't have the button, but you should see something here that says submit assignment. When you click that, it will give you the option to either upload a recording, which is a little microphone, or a little box that says file. Click file, find the document that you just saved on your desktop, and then hit submit. That's all you need to do for the assignment. Then remember to just do the optimistic closure, which is just to complete and to check over your work. And you're all done.